Hi, good day and welcome again to my channel. And in this episode I will be discussing closure of business. Now it's kind of a bad news because closure of business is not really a nice thing to hear. It's not a good news. At any rate, that is a reality of business, and at certain points some businesses really have to close either fully or partially, especially in this time na nasa COVID-19 pandemic, and there are companies who are really suffering a lot from this COVID-19 virus. Yung effects sa mga businesses, lack of order, lack of customers, lack of revenue. So many companies are suffering. So while it is a bad news, closure of business is a reality. Now in this episode, I will be discussing closure of business, what reasons are acceptable or valid under the law for anyone or any employer to close the business. And of course, I'll try to compare this with the concept of retrenchment that I discussed in my previous video. You can just go to my channel and check on the titles of the video. You will see a discussion on retrenchment, and even compared retrenchment also against compared it to redundancy for understanding. Sa closure of business, the question is, ano ba yung reason for a business owner to close the business? Can the owner close the business just for the purpose of closing it? Pwede ba yun? Oo naman. Kasi sabi nga ng Supreme Court natin na wala namang pumipigil sa isang business owner na mag-open at mag-close ng kanyang business as long as ma-comply niya yung mga requirements. So walang problema kung i-close niya dahil gusto niya lang, halimbawa gusto niya nang lumagay sa tahimik, gusto niya nang mag-farming na lang, so i-close niya na yung company niya, walang problema doon. So for whatever reason, so yun nga lang, kailangan niyang comply sa requirements ng batas. Ano yung requirements ng batas? Yun, kung basta gusto niya lang isarado, kailangan niya magbayad ng separation pay sa mga empleyado. And right now, ang ating closure of business is governed by Article 298 of the Labor Code. Yun ang rule, ang provisions of law applicable on this matter. Okay, so yung una, basta trip niya lang, gusto niya lang magsarado, pwede naman. Magbayad siya ng separation pay, and then mag-notify lang sa DOLE, at saka sa empleyado at least 30 days or 1 month prior to the effective date. Another reason is nalulugi, may losses si company, financial reverses. So in that particular case, pwede naman siya magsarado, kung hindi na kaya, kasi sabi ng Supreme Court, wala namang pumipilit sa isang employer na mag-keep on operating at a loss. Absorb ka lang ng cost, wala namang ganun. So kung hindi na kaya, you close your business. Ano naman ang kanyang obligation sa kanyang mga empleyado? So yung labor obligation niya is to pay them separation pay, 1/2 month per year of service. At any rate, in any case, it should be minimum of 1 month. Yan kasi ang nakalagay sa batas dyan, 1 month or 1/2 month per year of service, whichever is higher. So kung halimbawa 1/2 month per year of service, hindi naman naka 2 years, so that means halos 1/2 lang ang matatanggap. Sabi ng batas, kapag ganyan, yung gagamitin natin 1 month, kasi yan ang higher between the 1 month and the 1/2 month per year of service na applicable in a given situation. Okay, so yun. May mga pagkakataon ba na hindi pinagbabayad ng separation pay ang isang employer nagsara? Meron, no? Sa kaso ng North Davao Mining versus NLRC, tsaka yung Reyes versus NLRC, ang company dyan nag-close, no? And as shown by the financial documents, talagang financial reverses, grabe, no? Grabe ang pagkalugi ng kumpanya, no? In that case, sabi ng Supreme Court, there's no reason na magbayad pa ng separation pay kasi it's like extracting blood, no, from a dry stone. Walang-wala na yung kumpanya, no? So it doesn't make sense na mag-burden pa masyado dun sa kumpanya kasi nalulugi na nga, ano. So in that particular case nga lang, ang burden of proof na may ganung losses nasa employer, no? Kasi kapag challenge ng empleyado yung decision mo to close your business, alam mo, hindi valid or it's not bona fide reason, you really have to show proof na merong losses. The best proof yung financial statements, ano, audited financial statements or AFS, no? Makikita naman dyan yung mga figures. So yun ang mga realities dito sa closure of business. And when you compare this with retrenchment, ang retrenchment kasi ito yung hindi naman nagsara ang kumpanya, no? And yet nag-terminate ng tao kasi nagbabawas lang, no? Kasi hindi na kayang i-sustain ang labor cost at full capacity, no? Kung 100 yung trabahador niya halimbawa, dahil sa ngayon, halimbawa, may COVID-19 pandemic, hindi kaya ng kanyang resources. So nagbawas siya, halimbawa kalahati, 50 na lang, retrench ng 50. So that's allowed, no, kung may bona fide reason kaya nga nito, no. Yun nga lang, kapag losses ang rason dyan, again, you have to be ready to present your audited financial statements. Now, pwedeng mo mag-close ang kumpanya ng partial lang, no, like a department, a section, a unit, pwede naman, no. Sabi nga ng Supreme Court, walang problema doon kasi you can actually close your business by just a part of it, a department, a section, or a unit, no? As long as you observe a procedural due process, no? Ito authorized cost, so 1 month prior notice to the employees affected, and of course the payment of separation pay. Kung hindi ka magbabayad ng separation pay because you think you have justification, so be ready with your proof, no? Kasi under sa labor code, ang burden of proof dyan ay nasa employer. So unlike sa panahon ni Marcos noon, no, yung Ministry of Labor, you have to secure clearance prior to terminating an employee. Right now, the employer is given the prerogative to terminate employees provided without prejudice yan, no, sa right of the employee to challenge, no, the validity of the termination. Kaya meron tayong mga kaso sa labor, so on and so forth. So with that, that ends my discussion on closure or cessation of business in comparison with all other modes of authorized costs like ito nga, retrenchment. Ano. So again, we're still in the pandemic period. We're all praying for this to be over and for the economy to go back to its full life, no? So yeah, sama-sama tayo, and as of now, let's prevent the spread of virus, observe social distancing, and of course wear mask. And right now, maganda, may shield ka pa, no? In fact, sa ibang local jurisdiction, minamandate na nila. So stay safe, everyone. Thank you for watching my channel, my video. Ask your relatives and friends to subscribe because I will be uploading more videos that will be helpful to you. So with that, good day. Thank you.